Ooh, that's the sound that the gods make, baby. All right, should we fill it up? Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. This is always the confusing part, but we'll do it anyway. Remember, you're loved. You're worthwhile. Preston, I touched you in your sleep last night. Here we go. When the foam gets to the top, you slow it down and think of dreams you want to achieve. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes and dream. Oh, yeah. That's a good dream for me. Oh, 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 there we go. Yeah, that's a good dream. All right, fill it up a little bit more. Let's take a sip, fam. Oh, that's good. All right. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. 3, 2, 1. That's a knockout.